This tutorial will walk you through how to modify widget container in VPCart 9. Firstly, go to VPCart Administration, and go to Website, Design Manager, from top menu. Click Custom tab, and select Content from the section drop-downs. Select option Global Widget, from the subsection drop-downs. Modify the widget title, wrapper widgets, widget container, product, and category widget container settings, according to your requirement. Here, we can try modifying some settings, and preview the changes instantly via Layout Manager. Click Save button, and then click OK button. Now go to your website, and refresh the page, to view the new widget container style. Thank you for watching this VPCart 9 tutorial.